Okay guys, this is now the part 2 of the trouble on bluish appearance on the screen. The same television, the 32 inches Samsung TV. Now we will remove the speaker line to avoid the damage. Okay, now here, set aside. And be careful. We will remove now the take-on. Careful on lock of this take-on connector. It's very delicate parts. Also remove this cover of the data board, because we will go now to the backlight. The backlight is our next prospect of the trouble. Okay, it takes time to remove this because of it's still under company assembled, not yet disturbed the whole television. First time to repair this. Okay, now we will separate the data board. This data board is very delicate, not to break this board, because you will create more trouble if you break this data board. Carefully lift up like that, then have to upside down like that to remove the frame. Be careful not to break your screen. This is a very thin glass. Oh, there is a lock. There is a lock on this. Wait, maybe you stop first. Pause. You pause. Hello guys, this is how to check your backlight. Just put power on your power supply and connect your processor motherboard and your switch circuit. Then you will look on the backlight if they are all completely normal. Yes, all the backlights are normal.
Good condition.
They are in good condition and all clear. No blue lights.
Yes.
Meaning this is good backlights. Okay, we will now replace the defective on the other television.
Yes.
That's all folks. Thank you for viewing. Please like, subscribe and share for more ideas to the others. Thank you. Okay guys, now we already replaced the backlight.
Yes.
The blue color are already replaced with the good one. We will show you how now good replacement.
Condition.
We will put power and show you Okay. Now Power's on. See what happened.
It's good.
All are bright, clear, no bluish. We will now assemble this again with this diffuser and the LED screen panel for the next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Now it's time to put the diffuser. Be careful in returning back this diffuser so that it will be protected the screen panel not to break. Okay, then put the diffuser holder. Like this. It says there up. There is written up. But look for the T-con. The T-con is here, meaning reverse this. Like this. To return the diffuser holder. Okay. Remove the tape. Reverse. Now, in returning this screen panel, you must check first the T-con. Where is the T-con located? It is right here. This is the T-con area. This is the downside of the screen. Okay, so that no more repetition on work. Clip this, lock very well. Okay, here's now the screen panel. Careful not to damage. Okay, here the T-con area, the downside must be like this. Very careful not to break. Okay. Like that. That's it. Then next, your frame cover. This Samsung brand name must be down. Careful again pressing this to avoid breaking this our LED screen. Be careful. This is the expensive portion of the LED television. Okay, it's now locked. Okay, now connection time of the T-con board. Okay, stick this. And then your ribbon wire. Where's the ribbon? I kept here. There's it. In putting this ribbon flat wire must be aligned to your connector, because there is a moving little bit, must be at the center so that there will be no short circuits. Careful. Okay, now put the speaker is here and here. Your switch control. You will see what is the result of our repair. Now we will put power time. There you go. Power is on. Now it looks like successful. Okay. It's white. Yes, white. You hold here. It's white. I will put the antenna. We will see if the picture is normal. Oh shit. Bring the remote. Backlight, contrast, brightness, sharpness, color. Now it's normal. Reduce brightness. And also reduce your backlight to avoid the overloaded. Okay. Your contrast must be some 80%. Okay.
We're also learning more about how the hospitalities as a result of this storm. Bringing in you the experience here today, not for
Now picture normal. That's all, folks. Successful. Our trouble before was bluish. Now back to normal viewing. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share for more ideas for others. Thank you.